So without further ado, the focus of tonight's meeting is really on MarginX. And so we're very fortunate to have Danny and Clarence join us. And I'm going to turn the screen and the show over to them and let them tell us about where we are with MarginX.
According to Katie Wood, the famous investor from ARK Invest, she has this saying that the financial revolution is DeFi. So it takes away the middleman from the financial ecosystem. So a combination of digital wallets and DeFi is going to wipe out a lot of financial institutions. So let me begin with MarginX. Right, so this is MarginX. So today we have Danny and myself. So MarginX basically consists of 15 core members at this moment, and we have been developing more than a year now. It's time that we should review what is MarginX, right? So today we'll speak about 4 main topics. So the first one will be a new brand identity. Let me just show you how we conceive the identity, the logo itself. It's really a Jedi mind trick, right? Once you see it, you can't unsee it. It's optical illusion, as you say. We have been going through more than 20 design concepts. I'm going to play you the video of how the logos come about. Basically, this is the logo. Hope you guys like it.
Awesome.
I really like it. I actually didn't know about the story behind Clarence.
No, either did I. That's brilliant.
It's everything, all the elements combined, coming into one. If you focus long enough, you see the different images, right? So let's move on. What is MarginX, right? So basically, MarginX, it's a long story. However, I'll let you watch a 4 minutes video. So the video will explain what MarginX is, right? Let's go.
According to the Global Findex by the World Bank, around 1.7 billion people in the world remain unbanked. Put simply, this means 1 in 3 people do not own a bank account or have access to a financial institution, with only 7 countries making up almost half of it. Among the reasons cited, high institutional costs, lack of accessibility, lack of documentation, and lack of trust are just a few of the main concerns. These people choose to remain bankless. We are here to challenge all that. Since the DeFi boom in 2020, we've seen unprecedented growth in the finance world, increased transaction speeds, higher levels of privacy and security, and way lower fees to get started. But we're only at the tip of the iceberg. You see, while the total notional value for contracts alone in the traditional derivatives market was estimated to be $610 trillion in 2021, the value of the entire crypto market today only sits at around $2 trillion. This only means one thing: we can do so much more. In building the future of finance, we want to challenge the current boundaries. We want to make finance more accessible, more profitable, more transparent, more convenient, and more secure. Our mission is to make DeFi even better for anyone and everyone. Introducing MarginX, the world's first multi-chain decentralized exchange infrastructure. We are the bridge that connects the cryptocurrency industry with the financial markets by providing a decentralized, transparent, and on-chain network infrastructure that enables users to buy, sell, and create derivative products for any financial asset. For now, this includes perpetual contracts of cryptocurrency assets and other stock-based perpetual derivatives like Apple, Google, and Tesla. So, how else are we different? Number 1, our network is one of the fastest in the world. Because MarginX is a multi-chain, cross-chain, and parachain DEX infrastructure built on the FunctionX blockchain network, its processing input and output limits, along with throughput capacity, Allow it to handle a transaction speed of 2,000 to 20,000 transactions per block. That's 3 seconds per block, and way faster than other exchanges in the market. Number 2. We mean it when we say MarginX offers high liquidity. MarginX's cross-chain structure allows transactions to take place across different chains and networks. All networks can now share the same order book depth, which ensures a high liquidity of assets within the DEX, so you can buy and sell your assets closer to the market price. Number 3. 3 words: high sustainable yields. Your potential MarginX yield is your DeFi yield combined with your trading yield. Let us break it down for you here. DeFi yield refers to your profits earned by trading directly on MarginX, such as through stock-based perpetual contracts. Trading yield here takes it one step further, so you can generate additional yield using your existing profits. For example, MarginX can potentially and automatically divert your deposited principal cryptocurrency assets to various secondary trading instruments and innovations, such as earning interest through staking, pooling assets into structured products, or generating returns through copy trade features. Number 4. Whether you are an institution, retail investor, or crypto enthusiast, we make trading as simple as possible for everybody. How do we do this? By replicating familiar financial asset classes like stock-based perpetual futures and familiar investing strategies like hedging and indexing, we lower the entry barrier for existing institutions and retailers in the financial markets. Number 5. We promise security and transparency. We are one of the only exchanges in the world that operate on-chain. This means everyone has full data access recorded on the blockchain network, and we also face less restrictions from other blockchain technologies. This way, we can ensure that all positions are truly secure, verifiable, transparent, and instantaneous. There is still so much untapped potential in the world of finance, and we want to open up these opportunities for you. We promise to be a DEX for the people. We promise to help you reap the rewards.
Nice.
Oh my goodness.
It's amazing.
Yeah, I think it's
Words
well, we
were
should
amazing.
have that. First time I saw this. Yeah, very nice, very nice. This is amazing. Yeah. I haven't seen it as well, actually. So first time for everyone. You haven't seen it as well, right, David?
Awesome, guys. It's brilliant.
So is this going to be available on YouTube so we can kind of blast it out there?
Sure. Basically, this is a preview version. We will have an official version with subtitles and all. And then we will share out on our Twitter, as well as Telegram, as well as Discord. Likely we'll release that middle of next week. Next thing is we want to talk about this campaign, right? So for beta launch, we have a new campaign, which is very exciting. We call it Beta Challenge. It will be going on for a month from 17th of June to 16th of July. So tonight, midnight, you can actually visit our website, and then you can see the whole new details about the challenge. Let me just give you a brief rundown of what is Beta Challenge. So we have 5 categories, and we are giving away 5,000 USDT. And these 5 categories will include top 10 gainers where you participate in trading. And then there's a 20 commission earners. Same goes for top 10 content creators. This is a new category where we have spotted a lot of enthusiasts or supporters creating nice visuals and then they share online. The next category will be the 500 beta challenges. So if you participate in this contest, you will get something. Ad hoc, we will also give away items on social media. For more info, just check out www.marginx.io. Moving on next. This will be the last one. We want to reward all the innovators, the early adopters or the supporters. Innovators are like Satoshi looking for healthy need, right? So we are looking for the healthy need to come try out MarginX and spread the word around. So we hope this is you. by rewarding the innovators, we will introduce the first alliance. So to say, what is first alliance? Basically, the first alliance comes in the form of NFTs. The NFT is by a famous YouTuber who has around 300,000 followers. It's a channel called Digital Art Creation. He basically created 50 animated designs, and we are giving away 1,000 NFTs. This is the MarginX team NFT, and it's animated. Let me just show you. Right, so this is the MarginX version. We have also a FunctionX color, and it's animated as well. So all the NFTs which we are giving out will be animated. Next stop. The NFT is not just a piece of beautiful art. It has functionality on top of it. Let me just review what are the functions that if you're going to hold the NFT, what do you get? So the first alliance NFT, a 10% trading fee rebate, a 20% commission based on referral fees, as well as it is transferable, meaning to say if you have got extra NFTs, you can share it with your friends, or in the future, you could actually put it on the marketplace. So all these NFT perks are forever, as long as we are on FunctionX blockchain. So to say, your trading fee rebates, your commissions and whatever not, it's gonna be forever, as long as the NFT is inside your wallet. So next stop, we have one more thing to announce. Everyone is asking about MarginX. Are we going to use FX token as gas fees? Yes, we will be using FX token as gas fee as long as MarginX is using FunctionX blockchain. Hope this is a way of thanking the community as well as FunctionX for giving us the support in developing MarginX. Let me sum it up all with a very short video of the whole campaign so that we will share this on our social media platform later. Hope you guys can support us and then just share the video around. Right, that's it.
So cool. I
So
have to
excellent.
It's so
tell you,
cool.
in the like 10 minutes of
Very
video
nice.
that you put together for this, I have a greater understanding of the whole platform than I did before. It's really, it's informative, it's exciting. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. So I hope that we have everyone's support to help spread the word on MarginX. So for more information, basically just check out marginx.io. We have more exciting stuff coming down the road. So yeah, we promise it. So thank you, everybody. So if there's any FAQs and whatever, you can just post it on the chat group, and hopefully we'll try to answer these questions. Thank you. Over to you, David.
Danny, do you want to chime in here with anything except applause?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, David and Clarence, for your wonderful and amazing presentations. I guess everyone right now has a better understanding of what MarginX is, and what are we trying to achieve, and what are the mechanics behind, and then what are the exciting campaigns we want to be launched. I mean, during this beta, this beta challenge. So, although this beta challenge is like, using a test token, not the real money, but believe me, you will find it very, very interesting and very useful, because MarginX is the bridge between crypto assets and traditional finance derivative. And among that, you can find the beauty of the decentralized exchange that is transparent and then verifiable, and then your fund is safe because your funds always stay in your wallet. So if you do have any questions, please drop at the chat group. Clarence and I, we are more than happy to answer. And then here in this Zoom meeting, I think we are supporters and friends of FunctionX. So please, again, do help us to spread the words around, and then do help us to spread the words, and then we can go further together. Thank you.